Hi, it's Adreset and today I'll show you how to check the temperature on your HP Compaq 17. So open the browser and type in CoreTemp, enter and open the first link. Now download, click open file. Yes, accept. You can close the browser now. Next, accept the agreement and next. Here you can change the browse where your application should be located. So I'll just stick with the default. Next, here are the additional shortcuts, icon recommendations, etc. So do what you want, you can customize that. Then next and install. Next, and here you can view a readme.txt and launch CoreTemp automatically, but I'll disable it and finish. Now open the CoreTemp, yes, and here are the temperatures of all your cores. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.